Hey guys, it's Ivy the Happy Whisk and welcome back to my channel. I'm tossing in some pecans that I got from ALDI into my Vitamix. Dried coconut going in. I'll leave everything down that I do down below. I'm making some dough balls, some energy bites, cookie dough bites, whatever you want to call it. Coconut, dried, in the Vitamix. Rolled oats, organic rolled oats. I think they taste better. I think the non-organic ones taste like cardboard. Dates. Medjool, I'm not sure how to say it, and then some vanilla. I will leave everything down below. Closing the Vitamix lid. Decided to add a few more dates in there, and the scale is underneath because that's how I write. I put the scale beneath me, and then I just kind of chuck things in, and then I make notes. So blending it, I don't want it too mushy, but I don't want it whole either, so just do the texture that you're looking for. Ta-da! Camera's shaking. This is the old filming area. These are really good. I'll have to tell you, I love them the next day, 24 hours later. So now what I'm doing is I'm pinching it just to see if it comes together. Adding a little more vanilla, because I also tasted it. Lid back on, lid off. I blended it just for a few more seconds. The table is shaking. I'm sorry about that. Into the bowl. All right, I got my scooper. So what I didn't shoot was the footage I lost where I have these teeny tiny chocolate chips or chocolate morsels. And I love them for energy bites, for brownies like this, or any cookies, no bakes, anything like that. So all I'm doing is I'm just wrapping it up in my hand, roll it into the ball, the texture that I want and the size that I want, and those little itty bitty chips, they're just fantastic in it. There you go. That's one. That's two. Done. Now my hands. So what I do is I rinse them with some water, put some cold water, and then it helps my hands, helps the dough not stick to my hands as much. And it doesn't really seem to affect the dough ball too much, so I'm okay with that. But again, waiting 8 hours or 24 hours or 12 hours, they do somehow hydrate better and taste better to me the next day. But I encourage you to try them. Try them as is, and then try them the next time, just to see. And then as we taste the food, or as I taste the food, I'll speak for myself. Look at those hands, so clean. As I taste my food, that's how I know for the next time how to improve the recipe, because it's not by cooking that I learn how to cook. It's really by tasting and then improving it from there. For this one, I'm always trying different things. So for this one, what I do is I'm pressing it down to see if it could be like a no-bake cookie. And anytime I'm writing a new recipe or a formula, I always kind of take a little bit of the batter, not always, most times, just to see, what if I do something else with it? What would happen? Let's try. And there we go. All done. So there's my little no-bake. There are the balls, energy bites, energy balls, cookie dough balls. Pick the word you want and put it in there. Now here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a little, this is raw cacao powder. Normally I like cacao over these things. This time I didn't, but I'm still going to show you the footage because this is part of writing food. I'm playing. I'm trying something. I taste it. I don't like it. I don't do it to the rest. But I did it to 2, and I encourage everyone to play and do stuff with. If you got that many there's enough there to play a little bit and try 2. This time, though, I didn't like it. This one, though, I really like this one a lot. Let's see, I take a bite. Oh, there it is. It's so good. I'm clapping right now. I wish I had this in my hands right now, and I'm out of little itty bitty chocolate chips. So that's my video. Those are my oatmeal cookie dough balls, if you will. I'm Ivy. I'm the Happy Whisk, and this is the Happy Whisk YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your eyeballs, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Whisk out.